As we age, the health of our liver becomes increasingly vital to our overall well-being. The liver is a remarkable organ, responsible for filtering toxins from our blood, breaking down medications, and supporting digestion. For seniors, maintaining a healthy liver can mean the difference between feeling energetic and facing persistent fatigue. Imagine your liver as the body's natural cleansing system, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you safe from harmful substances. Over time, factors like medication use, diet, and lifestyle choices can place extra demands on this hard-working organ. By understanding the liver's crucial role in detoxification, we can appreciate why caring for it is essential, especially in our golden years. Prioritizing liver health is not just about longevity, it's about enjoying a vibrant, active life well into retirement. As we journey through our golden years, the health of our liver becomes increasingly important. The liver acts as the body's primary detoxification organ, filtering out toxins and processing nutrients. Diet plays a crucial role in how efficiently the liver performs these tasks. Natural foods, such as fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support liver function. These nutrients help the liver break down harmful substances and repair itself. Over time, processed foods and excess sugar can strain the liver, making natural choices even more vital. By prioritizing wholesome, unprocessed foods, we give our liver the support it needs to keep us feeling vibrant and healthy as we age. Leafy greens like spinach and kale have long been celebrated for their remarkable health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting liver function. These vegetables are packed with chlorophyll, a natural compound that helps the body neutralize toxins and reduce the burden on the liver. Their high fiber content aids in flushing out waste, while antioxidants protect liver cells from damage. Many seniors find that adding a daily serving of leafy greens to their meals not only boosts energy, but also supports overall well-being. In fact, studies have shown that regular consumption of these vegetables can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and promote gentle, natural detoxification. Including spinach, kale, or even Swiss chard in your diet is a simple yet powerful way to nurture your liver as you age. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower have long been celebrated for their remarkable health benefits, especially for those in their golden years. These vegetables are rich in compounds that naturally support the liver's detoxification process. When you enjoy a serving of broccoli or Brussels sprouts, you're helping your body boost the production of important liver enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down toxins and supporting overall liver health. Over time, including more cruciferous vegetables in your diet can contribute to better digestion and improved energy levels. It's a simple, delicious way to give your liver the support it needs to keep you feeling your best. Garlic has long been celebrated not just for its flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits, especially as we age. When consumed, garlic activates key liver enzymes that help break down and eliminate toxins from the body. These enzymes play a crucial role in the liver's natural detoxification pathways, ensuring that harmful substances are efficiently processed and removed. Garlic's sulfur compounds are particularly powerful, stimulating the production of glutathione, a vital antioxidant that protects liver cells. Over time, regular inclusion of garlic in your diet can support overall liver function, making it easier for your body to stay clean and balanced. For seniors, this gentle boost to the body's natural defenses can be a simple yet effective way to maintain vitality and well-being. Beets have long been celebrated for their vibrant color and earthy flavor, but their true value lies in their remarkable health benefits, especially for seniors. Rich in antioxidants, beets help combat oxidative stress, which is a key factor in aging and many chronic conditions. These antioxidants support the body's natural defenses, protecting cells from damage. Additionally, beets promote healthy bile flow, a critical process for efficient liver function. Improved bile flow aids in the digestion of fats and helps the liver remove toxins more effectively. For those in their golden years, Incorporating beets into meals can be a simple yet powerful way to support overall liver health and maintain vitality. Turmeric, a golden spice cherished for centuries, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can be especially beneficial for seniors managing joint pain or chronic conditions. Beyond easing inflammation, turmeric also plays a protective role for the liver. Research suggests that curcumin supports liver health by shielding liver cells from toxins and oxidative stress. This natural defense can help the liver function more efficiently, which is vital as we age. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether in meals or as a supplement, may offer gentle yet meaningful support for your overall well-being. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and grapefruits have long been celebrated for their remarkable health benefits, especially for seniors. These fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help the body neutralize harmful substances and flush out toxins. When you enjoy a glass of lemon water or add fresh lime to your meals, you're not just enhancing flavor, you're supporting your liver's natural cleansing process. Grapefruit, in particular, has compounds that stimulate the production of liver enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down and eliminate waste. Over time, these simple choices can contribute to improved digestion and a stronger immune system. Many older adults find that incorporating citrus into their daily routine leaves them feeling refreshed and energized. It's a small step with big rewards for lifelong wellness. Let me tell you about two remarkable nuts, walnuts and almonds, and their impact on liver health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Almonds, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. Both nuts provide healthy fats that can help regulate cholesterol levels, easing the burden on your liver. Studies have shown that regular consumption of these nuts may improve liver enzyme levels and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Including a handful of walnuts or almonds in your daily diet is a simple, delicious way to nurture your liver and overall well-being. Imagine starting your morning with a handful of blueberries or cranberries. These vibrant berries are more than just a tasty treat. They're packed with powerful antioxidants. For seniors, especially those concerned about liver health, these antioxidants can play a crucial role in reducing inflammation within the liver. Studies have shown that compounds found in blueberries and cranberries help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can otherwise damage liver cells over time. By incorporating these berries into your diet, you're not only enjoying a burst of flavor, but also supporting your body's natural defenses. It's a simple, delicious way to nurture your liver and promote overall well-being in your golden years. Imagine a dinner plate featuring salmon or sardines. These aren't just delicious choices, but powerful allies for your liver. Fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce liver fat and curb inflammation. For seniors, this is especially important, as our bodies become more sensitive to the effects of diet over time. Studies suggest that regularly including omega-3 rich fish in your meals can support liver health and may even lower the risk of developing fatty liver disease. I've seen many older adults benefit from simple changes like swapping out processed meats for grilled salmon once or twice a week. The anti-inflammatory properties of these fish also support heart health, making them a smart addition to any senior's diet. So, the next time you're planning a meal, consider the lasting impact a serving of fatty fish can have on your well-being. Green tea has long been celebrated for its health benefits, especially among those seeking to maintain vitality in their golden years. One of its key components, catechins, are powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in supporting liver function. These compounds help the liver process toxins more efficiently, reducing the strain on this essential organ. Additionally, catechins work to protect liver cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to cellular damage over time. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, green tea's catechins contribute to overall liver health and resilience. Many studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can lower the risk of liver-related issues, making it a wise choice for those looking to preserve their well-being as they age. Let me share a story about a simple ingredient that can make a big difference in your health: olive oil. Research shows that moderate consumption of olive oil can help improve liver enzyme levels, which are important markers of liver function. By supporting the liver, olive oil assists the body in processing nutrients and filtering out toxins more efficiently. Additionally, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and contribute to aging. For seniors, this means a gentle boost to overall wellness and vitality. Incorporating olive oil into your daily meals, such as drizzling it over salads or vegetables, is an easy way to enjoy its benefits. Remember, moderation is key to reaping these rewards without overindulgence. Incorporating nutritious foods into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. For breakfast, try adding berries to oatmeal or blending them into a smoothie with Greek yogurt. At lunchtime, a simple salad with leafy greens, grilled chicken, and a sprinkle of walnuts offers both flavor and health benefits. For dinner, roasted vegetables paired with baked salmon can be prepared with minimal effort and are gentle on digestion. Many seniors find that using pre-chopped produce or frozen options saves time and reduces strain. Simple recipes like vegetable soups or one-pan stir-fries are not only easy to make but also allow for flexibility with ingredients. Remember, the key is to choose meals that are both nourishing and manageable, ensuring you enjoy the process as much as the results. As we reflect on the journey toward better liver health, it's clear that certain foods can make a remarkable difference. Leafy greens, fatty fish, berries, nuts, and whole grains each play a unique role in supporting your liver's natural functions. For many seniors, embracing these foods doesn't require a complete overhaul. Small, steady changes can lead to lasting benefits. Perhaps it's adding a handful of spinach to your lunch or choosing salmon for dinner once a week. Remember, it's never too late to nurture your body with nourishing choices. By making thoughtful adjustments, you can help your liver thrive and enjoy greater vitality in your golden years.